What's the meaning of custard apple? Custard apple. Custard apple.
Custard apple. Custard apple. Custard apple is a tropical fruit native to Central and South America. It has a green, scaly exterior with a soft, creamy white flesh inside that is sweet and flavorful. The flavor is often described as a combination of banana, pineapple, and strawberry. Custard apples are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a healthy addition to any diet. They can be eaten fresh or used in a variety of recipes, including smoothies, jams, and desserts. Overall, custard apples are a delicious and nutritious fruit with a unique flavor and texture.